Alright, check out my new motorized gate. The gate's not new, the motorized part is. It was pretty much a pain in the ass to put in. Had to keep adjusting it. So let's see if it works right. That's a start. So there's the opener, there's the control board, there's the solar charger for the battery, there's the battery. We'll see how that works in the winter. Hopefully it works. And then next year we're going to get a new gate. This was one of the cheap ones from Tractor Supply. So I pretty much had to take this angle iron with holes. This stuff's probably, I don't know, 18 gauge at the most. Put a bunch of screws in there, because at first I tried putting this right on this part, and it ruined it in like a week. So hopefully this is better. Got the load spread out in a bunch of different spots here. And then for this stopper thing, kind of the same deal. You know, this tubing is super thin. It might be 18 gauge. I don't know if it's 18 or 16. I don't think it's 16. It's probably like 18 or 20. So I did the same thing with that. Took the two pieces of angle iron with holes in it, which I get at one of my HVAC suppliers, and good stuff to work with. You could probably cut it if you had some high leverage snips or shears, but really Sawzall is the way to go. I don't think I want to try to cut more than maybe notch out a corner or something with a hand tool on this stuff. So yeah, hopefully it gets us through the winter. I did notice that I'm going to have to get a smaller flag, because yesterday when I was out here working on it, it was pretty windy, probably like 15, 20 mile an hour winds, and it was just really pulling on all this stuff, which again, this is like kind of janky. I'm just working with what I got. I mean, 4x4 is kind of lame. It was fine when there was no opener, but so next year, new gate, put some either steel posts or 8x8s in or something better. And but you know, hey, it's kind of cool. It's better than getting out of the car and unlocking the gate, I suppose. So I still got to cut these off, but I might wait, because if I put in like a 6x6 or an 8x8 next year, probably 6x6 is all you need. I'm going to keep these. So right now I don't think it's a stabbing hazard, because it's all sort of protected by all this crap that's in the way. You know, I mean, if you're going to run into that, you're going to crash into the control board, the battery, whatever. So then all I got to do is clear a little better path here for the delivery people, which I think I'm going to work on that next. So that's it. Keep America first. Catch you on the next one.